Hello, 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 my friends. This is Els Kemeny from Bemis Crafty Corner, and as you can tell, I'm not quite totally myself yet. But I wanted to get this out there in case there's somebody, or anybody who has not heard it. I know I've mentioned it in the last few lives, but the final 12 of 22 journal topic is vintage. So whatever you feel vintage is, that's what your journal should be this month. And we do have an early turn-in for this. It has to be turned in by December the 29th. Gives you about 3.5 weeks from today to get that done. Also, remember, Christmas Eve is the last day to turn in your neighborhood houses. And I think that's it. So, vintage is our topic. Please have it turned in by no later than December the 29th. And your neighborhood house should be turned in no later than Christmas Eve, December the 24th. So that they can all, all be counted in for the New Year's Eve extravaganza. Okay? That's it. That's all I wanted to say. I want to thank everybody who has sent their well wishes. We are on the mend. The whole house went down, but we're getting better slowly. Hubbard still got the worst of it, but the rest of us are on the mend. Okay, so I will hopefully see you guys sometime this week. Until then, stay well. Bye bye.